Hello students, I am Ramveer from Micros Academy. Today we will discuss class 9th topic History, chapter number 3, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Actually, in the First World War, it was broke down in 1914 and 1918. It was ended. So it gave a very bad impact in the political, socially and economic condition of Europe. Everywhere, all the people suffer from the First World War. And in the First World War, Germany was suffered lot of. All the Allied countries consider that Germany was the responsible for this crime. They were responsible for the First World War. They wanted a monopoly politically to pressurize the German people. So after the First World War in Germany actually lost their reputation in the World War after First World War, and it was controlled by the Allies. So, Weimar Republic, after First World War, a government decided to consultate or control the country, to run the country Germany with the Weimar. What was the Weimar Republic? It was formed after the 1918, and this was failed. Actually, it was failed because many German people not supported to it, because it was the sin. People think that Weimar is not considered in Germany because it is not necessary, and Germany lost their reputation in World War. Due to the Treaty of Versailles, it hit a lot of people have angry to this republic. Only socialists, Democrats and communist people were the members of this republic. It had lot of changes after sometimes amended very in 20 short period. It faced a lot of the amendment. So its reputation decreased day by day. So it is failed. Then Treaty of Versailles. In 1919, Allies imposed the Treaty of Versailles. It was the treaty when Germans lost their land, their factories, mining, everything, coal mine, population, area, or many natural resources lost to the Allies. So it divided to the Germany in many parts. So after some times, what are the reasons of the people rejecting this proposal? It was the main cause of the Second World War. It is sad. Then rise of Hitler. Actually, Hitler was a famous personality during the World War II. He wanted to save the country Germany. He wanted to defeat all the Allies. He wanted to invade to Russia and wanted to defeat to Russia, because Hitler considered that he was a good patriot person of the Germany. Hitler rise. He was a messenger during the First World War. He saw everything, every aspect of Germany defeat, and he horrified that Germany was defeated. He wanted to save the Germany, so he decided to do lot of the things, lot of the work for the Germany. He started a many policy for the welfare of the Germany. He was a dictator after some times, and he started a policy for segregation for desirable and undesirable people of the Germany. And he wanted that Germany became a strong nation of the world, and it became a powerful country of the world that controlled all the Allies. So students, thanks.